Alright everybody, just wanted to film a quick introduction to this unit on nuclear power and what we're talking about. So our main focus on this one is we're thinking about, does nuclear science benefit or harm society? So we're thinking about what's good, what's bad about nuclear science. I want to start us off with, there's a series of 3 videos on this sheet. I want you to be thinking about costs and benefits of nuclear science. So the first one we're going to look at, the first video is a tale of a survivor from Hiroshima, where the one of the atomic bombs, the uranium bomb, was dropped at the end of World War II. The second one is kind of a Google Earth simulation talking about that bomb again. And then the third one is, just to bring it back a little bit closer to home, we're not just talking about nuclear bombs, but we're talking about a place in Washington State with Hanford, the nuclear disposal site, which is a very, very toxic site and something to think about. So when you're going through, go ahead, and I would like you to think about what you've seen. Then you can go take a look at the NEA site here and look around, think about benefits, and then discuss it with someone at home. And that's what we're doing for our introduction. I don't want to lead to say too much about this, because this piece, remember, is our elicitation. It is your initial ideas, and that's all I really want to say about it. So good luck looking that over, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.